Hey, hello there. How you doing? Welcome to Chapter 7. We are now in Era 3, which is the best era ever in my opinion. Go post-classical, 600 to 1450. Let's get to our first word. All right, so our first word is an easy one. It is, oh crap, no, it's not easy at all. It's Leo III iconoclastic policy. You probably already know what that means. Okay, let's get into this. First, Leo III was the ruler of the Byzantine Empire, formerly the Roman Empire, the western side. And basically, the decision was made that they shouldn't have icons. So no icons. Icons are pictures you make of religious images of God, of Jesus, and you make pictures of them. Now, religions like Judaism and Islam are against these images. So we need a definition here. So Leo III's iconoclastic policy pretty much was the Byzantine Empire saying they would not have icons. So no icons for the Byzantine Empire. This will split the church. You'll have the Eastern Church, which will become the Orthodox Church with the Byzantine Empire. And then the Western Church, where the Pope is, will say, no, we're going to use icons. We want icons. And this will actually help split the church up. So here's what we need to know. Leo III of the Byzantine Empire makes a policy saying no icons, no pictures of Jesus, of God to teach. The reason why they went against it, because they thought God should not be shown in a picture because God's too powerful for that. So that is the policy. So they destroy the icons in the Byzantine Empire. In Western Europe, outside of the Byzantine Empire, where they're Christians, they keep icons and they have more icons, and it divides the church. Oh, that was tough. All right, our next one is the Hagia Sophia. The Hagia Sophia was built as a huge church in the Byzantine Empire, in the city of Constantinople. It was the largest church in Christendom. So it was built there, and it was a huge church built by the Byzantine Empire, built by the Emperor Justinian to show his power, like architecture is so often used for. What's really interesting about the Byzantine Empire now is this. This is more of what it would have looked like during the Byzantine Empire. Notice there's not the minarets that are sticking up. Here's what it looks like now with these 4 minarets. This is what happens to the Byzantine Empire. The Ottoman Turks come in and take over the Byzantine Empire eventually. And they take the city of Constantinople and change it to Istanbul. And they make the Hagia Sophia. It was the biggest church in Christendom, and it becomes a mosque. Today it's actually a museum. So, this is the Hagia Sophia, which was the biggest church in Christendom, the Byzantine Empire, shows Justinian's power, and then it became a mosque after that when the Ottoman Turks came in. A theocracy is when there is no difference between the religious leaders and the political leaders. So, in the Byzantine Empire that we're going to study, the emperor of the Byzantine Empire was also the leader of the Christian church in Byzantine, the Eastern Church. And he would appoint a patriarch who would be in charge of it. So basically in this empire, Byzantine Empire, it had both religious power and political power. And that's a theocracy, both religious power and political power. And our next word is patriarch. And patriarch is usually like a strong male figure with power. In the Byzantine Empire, the patriarch was the leader of the church. Although, this is a big, big deal, in the Byzantine Empire, the patriarch was under the emperor. The emperor appointed and basically had control over the patriarch, who was the leader, which meant the real leader of religion and politics was the emperor. And the patriarch was underneath the emperor as the leader of the church. Okay, look at your sheet. We're going to mix 2 words for the price of 1. Show you how we do that. Our first word is Cyril. Cyril was a very famous and successful Christian missionary who was in the Byzantine Empire and who spread Christianity and also reading and writing to people who were in Eastern Europe. So this will actually lead to our second word, the Cyrillic alphabet. The Cyrillic alphabet was started by Cyril, and the Cyrillic alphabet is an alphabet that took a combination of different letters from Greek and also Latin and made a writing system and that you'll see in many Slavic countries and even Russian. So they brought a written language to many people of Eastern Europe, to these Slavic countries in Eastern Europe, and they were able to write there, and also brought them Christianity and brought them into the Eastern Church, the Orthodox Church that was part of the Byzantine Empire, and spread that out. So he was a missionary who really converted, Cyril was a missionary who converted a lot of people into Christianity. So Cyril was the missionary, and Cyrillic alphabet is the alphabet that was used to spread Christianity to many people in Eastern Europe.